Good morning, everyone. This is Vijay from BTech CSC Cybersecurity SRM Ramapuram campus. So, let's start our session. So, this is a session about the Canva. So, the website link is www.canva.com. So, that is the website. So, this is a website. So, let's start the session directly. So, click on the templates. So, you will get many templates like social media to personal, business, marketing, education, trending. But for this we are going to make a poster. So this is all about poster making, right? So let's do a small poster and I will tell you what are the tools and how to do a poster, and with your own innovative skills you can just proceed more. So create a design option on the right, and suggested is the first option is poster. Just click on the poster. So I have got the dimension of the site. So we have many templates starting from coronavirus poster to event, advertising, school posters, photo poster. So it's depends upon you to choose your posters. So I will go with this some random poster which looks good in color. So I will select let me select well, so let me select this poster. This poster is quite bit good in the text and the title and the subtitle and the content and the pictures. So for me, I'm removing all the text. Let me keep the text. Let me keep, because the text is good, so we can edit the text. So I'm taking all the images and I'm just dragging from here to up to add a new graphical posters. You will see the graphical posters on the elements. So you can just type whatever graphical things you need. So I'm just typing as COVID because it's the theme, right? So let me select some random. It is all paid. So you can choose free one. Wait, let me show you. So here is it. So I have just take a graphical representation of a doctor. I'm just enlarging it. So this looks quite good with this color, right? I'm taking another. Let me take this doctor, and I'm just placing it here and rotating a little. It looks better, right? So okay, let me take this doctor, and I'm removing this doctor. I'm just placing here. So the thing is ready. So this is the title. So I'm just giving COVID-19. So I'm deleting this upside. So I'm just enlarging this. Okay, let me select the content. So let me select wait, this is good. So I'm just selected the font for my content. So steps to prevent COVID-19. You can select for this. First, to maintain social distancing. And then we have use face have 3 points. So this is like first point is perfect and second point is in middle and third point is also in middle. So click this and give this option, spacing option, and click this and so I have got all the points here. So this is my poster. Now it looks a little bad, so I'm just adding my borders. So I'm adding this border because it looks good. So I'm keeping another. I'm just there is a duplicate option here, so you can click that and you can paste it down. So keep a little bit up and a little bit up. So my borders are good. You can also keep a faux border also. It's up to you. So I'm just enlarging this size and leaving this. So next, the final touch. This is quite good. This is simple poster. So I'm just going to explain the entire tools. So okay. So this doctor is in a different color. If you want to change this color, there are many colors up. You can change. We change the color to red coat. Okay, it's not good, right? So we can. So I'm changing the tie color to black, which looks somewhat good. I'm changing the navy blue to yellow. No. To black. It's not visible. Well, to blue, it's not perfect. So this is the right one for background also. So let's change this color. So I'm just showing that we can change the color. So this looks good. So next, so you can change your font here. So we have many fonts you can change here. We have the font size, we have the font color and bold option and underline, and we have the spacing, and we have the uppercase and lowercase, and this is points. This is points, okay? So you need to use that now because we have already used it. So next we have lock option. As I said, if we lock this, we can't move it anymore. Okay, so we can't move it anymore. So like that. And if you want these two to be conjoined, you can click this group option. Okay, group. Okay, now you can move this is together now. So next, okay, this is locked, so you have to unlock. And if you want this doctor to look a little lighter, you have to just click the transparency and just you can reduce the transparency. And if you want to animate, you have fade, you have rise and many things. This is not necessary for poster designing. Okay, let's go to this column. So if you want another background apart from this, you can select anything like this. We have plenty number of backgrounds, so it's up to your wish. And we have the text column, we have the elements where we get everything, and we have photos where you can upload your own photo and you can add to your poster here. So I'm just adding this. So it's up to you. So also we have the templates column here. So that's all. So with your own innovative skills, you can design a